So let's learn those shortcut keys in Visual Studio Code, okay, to boost our productivity. It means that whenever we are writing code, so just by moving cursor from one place to another place, it is very hard, okay, and disgusting. So we would like to just learn those shortcuts which can help us to improve our productivity and write code faster. So let's get started. These shortcuts are, first of all, the first shortcut is multi-line cursor. It means to select or more than one lines simultaneously, or you would like to make changes in more than one lines. So for that we use the shortcut Control plus Alt plus down or up arrow key. Control Alt down arrow key. Down arrow key is selecting down, up arrow key is selecting up. Okay, so you can select it is for multi-line cursor. Okay. The second shortcut key is that to move to a place where you can find all the shortcuts and the settings of Visual Studio Code. Control plus Shift plus P. Control plus Shift plus P. So here you will find all the cursors, all the shortcut, all the settings that you want, okay, which are in Visual Studio Code. Just come down and you will find all those shortcuts and settings. The third shortcut key is that, for example, you would like to search in a file. In searching in a single file, that we do by pressing Control F. Okay, we can search in this file. But if you would like to search in all your files, okay, for example, you have 100 files, 50 files, 30 files. So you would like to search in all of those. Okay, so for that we use Control plus Shift plus F. So what it will do, it will search in all files. Okay, so I will write login. See, it will list this is in app.jsx, in login.jsx, and also we have in this route. Okay, in this we have login. So it will search in all files. How many files you have? So it will search in that. This was Control Shift plus F. The fourth shortcut key is that, for example, you would like to delete a line. Okay, here we have a line and you would like to delete by pressing the backspace or delete button, by pressing all the keywords and characters. It's hard, okay, to select the whole line by a single shortcut. So for that we have Control plus Shift plus K. So let's press Control Shift K. See, the line has deleted. Control Z back. I will bring that. Okay, so this was to delete a single line at the same time. The fifth shortcut key is that, for example, you want to copy this line, okay, by just selecting the line, then Control C, then Control V. It is hard, okay, to copy a line up or down. So for that we are using Alt plus Shift plus up or down arrow key. Alt Shift, for example, down, okay, down arrow key. See, it is taking copy. Up, it is taking up, copy of that. Okay, so let's press back Control Z. So this is the shortcut to take a copy of a line. The sixth shortcut key is that to open the sidebar, okay, this left sidebar, coming by cursor here and then opening it, it is hard, okay. So for that we have a shortcut key which is Control B. Control B open, Control B up, Control B open, Control B closed. So this was for opening the sidebar. The seventh shortcut key is that to rename a component. Okay, so let's, for example, we would like to rename this component. Okay, so let's what happened. For that we have shortcut key F2. For example, I want to rename this one. Let's check it, login and press F2. After pressing F2, now here I will write like sign in. Okay, sign in. So let's press enter. What happened? See, it says update imports from sign in. So it will update in all other components that you have imported the login component. So let's press yes. So it will update that also. We have imported it inside app.jsx, that has changed. Let's check it. See, sign in, that has automatically changed to sign in. So it will help us wherever we have imported, so it will change the name automatically. The eighth shortcut key is that if you would like to select the same, for example, you want to select this line, okay, and you would like to copy somewhere else. Before we learned that to make a copy of that, okay, that was Control Alt down or arrow key, okay, to take a copy of or down. But to select this line and copy it somewhere else, to select this whole line, for that we have the Control plus K. That is Control L. Okay, for that we should press Control L. See, Control L, we have selected the line. So now let's move to the ninth shortcut key, which is to switch between tabs. For example, you have opened 10, 12, 15 tabs and Visual Studio Code, and you would like to switch between them. Okay, so for that we have another shortcut key, which is Control plus page up and page down. Page down for moving forward, page up for coming backward. Okay, Control page C, page down, page up back, page down, page up. The 10th shortcut key is that to toggle the terminal. Okay, by moving here to the menu, then select the terminal. Okay, instead of that we have a shortcut key which is Control plus backtick. Okay, Control backtick. It will open the terminal as back. Close it, open it, close it. And the 11th shortcut key is to search a file. Okay, for example, you have a lot of files in your project, you would like to search a file. Okay, for that we have Control P and search here, for example, login. Okay, and main, whatever file you are looking for, so it will search it for you. So Control P is using for to search a file. Another shortcut key is that to format the document. For example, we want to format this document. Okay, so let's say it is like something like this. Okay, it is not good. Okay, it looks like this, and you would like to format it. Okay, like this. Okay, you want to format this document. Okay, so format it. For that we have the shortcut key Alt plus Shift plus F. Alt plus Shift plus F. See, the document has formatted. Everything is formatted right now. Another shortcut key is to select a word. For example, you would like to change, rename a word. Okay, like password. You would like to select all the password, or you want to select just this word. Okay, so for that we have Control D. It has selected this password. If you press it again, it will select another password. This one. Select again. If there is another one, it will select this one. This one you can rename it at once, or you would like to copy whatever you want. So, and let's move to another shortcut key, which is to split the Visual Studio Code. Okay, for example, it is essential used whenever you would like to compare two files. For that we have Control plus backslash. Okay, Control plus backslash. See, it has take a copy. You can open another file and you can compare those. Let's close it back. So it was all about some shortcut keys, which is very helpful as a developer to use them and to just use them. Okay, don't use the mouse or the buttons or whatever. So the shortcut is a very short way to move somewhere or do something. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.